Welcome back. Continuing the news, well-known medical practitioner Dr. Jephthah Ford has been convicted of attempting to pervert the course of justice in a 2014 criminal case. The verdict was handed down this afternoon by Judge Simone Wolfe-Rees before the St. Andrew Parish Court. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
Dr. Ford was charged in 2014 following allegations that he attempted to bribe a member of the Revenue Protection Division (RPD) to release two Surinamese nationals who were arrested by the agency. The foreigners were held after they were found in possession of more than 533,000 US dollars and 1.3 million Jamaican dollars at a hotel in Kingston. The men were charged under the Proceeds of Crime Act after they were unable to explain how they came in possession of the money. Prosecutors reported that Dr. Ford contacted the investigator and promised him 40% of the cash if he released the men and the money. The RPD arranged a covert operation to capture Dr. Ford trying to bribe the investigator. Dr. Ford was captured on tape meeting with the investigator and urging him to release the men and the cash. The tape recordings were played at the trial. Dr. Ford did not challenge the recordings and admitted that it was him on the tape. He testified that he was trying to entrap corrupt cops who had arrested the Surinamese nationals. Dr. Ford claimed he had uncovered a plot by the cops to kill the foreigners while they were in custody. Judge Wolfe-Rees said she did not believe his story. Dr. Ford is to return on August 22 for the court to set a date for sentencing. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.